Welcome to Kevin's channel, where today we unravel the complexities of critical path analysis, a crucial project management tool. Critical path analysis, or CPA, is a step-by-step methodology used to identify essential tasks in a project timeline. Understanding CPA can significantly enhance a project's efficiency and success rate by pinpointing key tasks that determine the overall project duration. Imagine you're overseeing a project with numerous tasks, each with different timelines and dependencies. CPA helps map these tasks, displaying the longest stretch of dependent activities, ensuring you know where delays can cause the whole project to lag. This longest path is known as the critical path, and managing it effectively means the difference between project failure and success. To conduct a critical path analysis, project managers begin by listing all activities required to complete the project. From there, they estimate the duration each task will take and identify dependencies between activities. By constructing a project network diagram, often visualized as a PERT chart, managers can see the sequence of tasks and pinpoint the critical path. Pay attention to the float or slack time. This is the buffer period where non-critical tasks can be delayed without affecting the project's overall timeline. Understanding float allows managers to prioritize tasks and allocate resources more strategically. For example, in a scenario where the critical path is delayed, resources from non-critical tasks can be redirected to critical ones to keep the project on track. CPA is not just for large corporate projects. It can be applied to any task sequence in personal projects or small business operations. From organizing events to launching products, understanding your critical path is vital in realizing milestones on time and within budget. Staying diligent in monitoring the critical path as conditions change is crucial, as it enables timely adjustments and risk mitigation. In summary, critical path analysis is an indispensable tool in the realm of project management. By focusing on task dependencies and timelines, it empowers project managers to foresee potential bottlenecks and ensure resource optimization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.